The text effects explode found within the built-ins in the container plugins and the text effects folder will allow you to explode the text on or off of the screen. And when we say explode, it might be an exaggeration, but in the settings, there are a lot of settings to manipulate the way this text comes on within the explode settings. So here you can see that we have an animation set up. If we click play, you can see that our explode happens here. We have it animating off. Within the text effects explode properties, we have our progress percentage here that we can increase. And as we do that, that's when the explode happens and our letters start flying off the screen. Once we do have this animation, you can now come down further and start adjusting these parameters down here to get the animation you want. So as you can see, when we increase our animation here and have it at the end, not all of our letters are off the screen. So I'm going to come down here and start using our duration and our opening angle, and we even have an angle rotation X and an angle rotation Y and the force here that we can use to get the animation we want. So we hit play again on our animation. Now it explodes off another way. If you want to slow it down to see what's really happening, you can just go into your stage, grab your keyframe and slow it down. Now it plays the animation a little bit slower here and you can see what's all those letters are doing. So like the other text effects plugins, we also have our direction here that we can change. So it's set to normal by default. We can go into the opposite, the random, the static, the wave, center, and to center. So there's a lot of options within the text effects explode to get your text to animate on and off. And depending what your font is, what it says, how big it is, all of these settings within the options here may affect the text a little bit differently.